Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is I think 21 of December. There is nobody here in the company, so I drive in and I'm putting the lips on top of the tires to make them street legal, and I will go with you through the process. Yeah, so let's get to it. So you can see I built myself a tool to put it against the wheel, like the middle of the wheel, and then mark 30 degrees front from the middle of the wheel, and then 50 degrees back, and then I will glue a lip here. So I decided to go a little bit further just for visual reasons, because it will start with the taper and it will end with the taper, so it will be a little bit farther. And I've done exactly the same thing with this one here. I already mark necessary 50 on the back, and I decide to go all the way to here in the front because I just find it looks better. I could just go up to here like 30 degrees, but I just find it looking kind of funny. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So let's get to gluing. So definitely something you need to remember about is to prepare the surface as good as it's possible. So I clean everything with a car shampoo and wash it everything nicely, and now I will go with the soft surface cleaner just to make the rest of the some fats and stuff like that removed, and then I will get to bonding this lips. So there you have it, folks. According to instructions, you should fix it with the tape. I don't know how much the tape gives at the moment. I don't think much, but instruction is instruction. Yeah. We'll see. Hey guys, so I just want to introduce you to this lip profile. It's a rubber. There is a strip of tape. According to the producer, it's high quality tape which should stick to your car very good. When you take a delivery, there is an instruction in German and English, and it's very important here. It's the first point here. So 20 degrees temperature of a car and temperature of the lip when you glue it on. In my case it was close to 19 degrees, so I hope it will work. And it's written here that you should put your car into the heated shop at least 24 hours before installation, and then after installation leave it in for another 24 hours to make sure that the tape is just sticking good. I buy this stuff from Hansen Styling Parts. They're not sponsoring this. They already deliver distance plates for the car. So, and the set of lips for Pajero cost 140 euros, and it's 4 of them. They are 2 meter long, and you probably could do it with 2 if you stick to compulsory 50 degrees back and 30 degrees front. But in my case I make them a little bit longer, so I spend 2.5. So you could start actually here and you could actually finish here, and that would be less than a meter, and then you could use another meter on the back, and then you use just a 2 meter piece per side, and you could order just 2 meter pieces twice. But in my case I want them a little bit longer, and the price of 3 pieces, it's exactly the same price as a set of 4, so that's how I end up with 1 2 meter piece and the rest. And that was 140 euros. You get something like this. This is like a tooth inspection sticker, protocol, something like that. As far as I know, as long as the lips are rubber, it doesn't really matter, because the rubber don't need to have any kind of material certificate. The important thing is how to cut this material. So you want to have a very sharp blade for cutting this material, and it's cutting very well. So you can just literally slice it off like this, and it leaves pretty good surface here. So you need to kind of work out how do you want to cut it. As you see, I cut it a little bit on an angle. It's just an aesthetics. It's just my wish how to do it. And then once you cut it, you can sand it with 240 grit paper a little bit. If you cut it and then you recut the edge, you can sand it with 240, and then with 600 make it flush. You need like literally just 2 pieces like that. It don't need to be new. It's going pretty cool, and then you end up with very nice and smooth surface. So this was cut and sanded, and yeah, and it looks very, very nice. Yeah, so now we will remove the tape from all 4 sides. It's important to mention, in the Pajero you need to glue the back piece. This needs to be like splitted, of course, because the part of it is on the doors, and part of it is on the body. But that's pretty much it. There is not much to it, just to do it. So you can see here, in instruction it's written that your vehicle should not be driven for at least 6 hours after installation, and the final strength of the glue area is only reached after 48 hours, and you should not wash it for 48 hours. And after installation, you want to bring a constant pressure on the lip with the help of the tape. So it's easy on these pictures here. It was not that easy on our car, but yeah, we've done our best. So now it's time to get rid of this. Yeah, I think that will be a very short episode, and in the next episode I will probably talk a little bit more about the whole process, like everything you need to consider putting the bigger wheels, like from the document side, like tires legalizations, rim legalizations, distance plate legalizations, covering and everything. That will be pure bureaucratic approach, and then we will go to further inspection. So thank you for tuning in. If you find it interesting, just subscribe, like, and join us on the Patreon. Would be nice. Cheers.